Hey y'all, welcome back to my sacred savings where we don't do broke, stressed, or confused anymore. If you're new here, my name is Patricia and I share my journey of saving money, building peace, and walking in purpose. One prayer, one plan, and one saved dollar at a time. And to my sacred savers, welcome back, fam. Okay, you guys, so today we are cash stuffing my emergency fund, car maintenance, fruit of the spirit envelope, my March saving challenge, and my one. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so y'all, first up, I always go, oh, you know what? The devil's a lie. Hold on. We need to count this money. Okay, so this is 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and $52. How can I forget the main purpose of here is counting the money. Ooh. Okay, so we are working with $52, and here I do have my cash envelope breakdown. And we'll start with emergency funds, and that is going to get $20. Boom. Right here, right here, right here. 20 buckaroos. This money is set aside for real life unexpected situations. Ooh. Not wants, not sales, but just for things you didn't plan for. What is going on with me this morning? Right now, stability is my main focus. The money don't want to go in. I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to get in here. You must have wanted a party. You must want to go to a restaurant and eat out or something like that. But no, sir. No, sir. Look, when it comes to saving, I may not be where I want to be yet, but I'm sure not where I used to be either. I'm loving it. Now, let me use another color. Lime. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. Okay, so we stuffed the emergency fund. Next is car maintenance. Car maintenance. And that is getting $5. Purple. Do we have a $5 one? Yes, we do. Oh, I went out of the lines. And it's okay. All right, so for the $5, don't know why I put it all the way up here. Hold on one second. for placing this money in here. Cards have a way of humbling you if you're not prepared. This cover oil changes, tires and repairs. The things that will come from whether I feel ready or not. See what I'm doing? What is going on with me? This money is just not wanting to be stuffed, but you gonna get in there. You going to be stuffed. I can't have you in my purse or my pockets. My wallet, my purse or pockets. Okay, so next we are not saving for a website today. Okay, so we are done with this one. Next is going to be our Fruit of the Spirit envelope. Next is going to be the Fruit of the Spirit Savings Challenge. This envelopes remind me that while I'm building financially, I still want to operate in love, peace, patience, and self-control. And this one is getting $6, 5 and a 1. Okay, so let's see. Let's go with yellow. So each letter is $2, so that's 2, 4, 6. So we have peace all done and spelled out. Ooh. Okay, and so far we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You know, peace is a part of my wealth, you guys. All right, and so we'll sit that there. And next is we're going to go ahead and do the ones challenge. Remember, after 60, we are not stuffing any longer. And what was there a 1 there? You know what? No, I need to do the March challenge first. Okay, so this is the new month March challenge, and it's $60 saving challenge by the time that we are done with the March. So we're going to go ahead to auto 5. March is getting 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's why I needed to wait to stuff the ones. Two, 4. I like this challenge. This challenge keeps things fun and keeps me consistent. Even if the amounts feel small, consistency compounds, y'all. I know this is all jacked up. So that's 2, 4, 6. 8. 10. That is so pretty. I just have everything all messed up over here. Okay. So we have that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and next is our ones challenge. So wherever we have left is going into here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And let me go ahead and write it on here. Remember, I'm not, so this was $11. Okay, so 11 ones. So like that. So that was a total of 17 months. Remember, after 60, we're not counting. We're going to wait till the end of the year to count. Every time I get a dollar bill, y'all, I save it. No overthinking. It's small, quiet, and powerful. Even when it feels small, it's not small. If you want to see how I plan my sinking funds and saving challenges, you're going to see those videos going to be coming up. All right, Sacred Savers, thank you so much for spending time with me here at My Sacred Savings, where we don't do broke, stressed, confused anymore. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. Give yourself grace, keep showing up, and keep doing the best you can with what you have. If this video has encouraged you, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it with another Sacred Saver. I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you in the next one. One prayer, one plan, one saved dollar at a time. Bye.